In this video, I'm going to show you how to use Perplexity AI to generate high-performing TikTok descriptions for your content. Let's get started. I'll begin by typing a prompt into the search bar asking for 3 engaging description options for a healthy morning routine video, including viral, hooks, and trending wellness hashtags for 2026. Once I click the submit button, the platform quickly processes the request and provides several creative variations for me to choose from. Next, I want to create a description for a product review, so I'll type a follow-up prompt into the bar at the bottom. I'm asking the AI to optimize the text for TikTok SEO by using specific keywords like Best Tech 2026 and to end with a question that drives user engagement. I'll click the arrow again to let the AI generate the new content. The final result is a professional and punchy description that highlights the key features of the headphones, such as the 50-hour battery life and noise-canceling capabilities. It successfully weaves in my target keywords while providing a perfect prompt at the end to get the audience engaging in the comment section. If you found this walkthrough helpful, please consider liking the video and subscribing for more quick tips and tutorials.